Welcome to Africa Express. Today we are going to talk about the international actuality. The activity is always about Russia and Ukraine. Russia-Ukraine war is going on since 2022. 2022 till nowadays, 2024, Russia is still in Ukraine, subjugating this territory, trying to gain victory over the Ukrainians. The whole world is standing also on the other side for the Ukrainian. And this is a war in Europe. Europe, where no one could think people will die like flies. Now, in Europe, a nation is rising against another nation and killing Europeans like flies. We know that the NATO country, from Poland to Latvia to the newer members of NATO countries like Sweden and Finland, they support Ukraine. This 1 month past, we have seen the Russian army going in the city of Avdiivka and subjugating this city like he was subjugating Bakhmut 2 months ago. So somehow Russians are progressing inside Ukrainian territory. But as far as we know that the NATO countries, like their special allies, the United States of America, sometimes they help Ukraine and they want Ukraine to win. We know since the President Emmanuel Macron said that he wants to help Ukraine, that he may send troops inside Ukraine. Of course, they will be only for teaching and using the military aid that the French people are sending to Ukraine, but only and if the government of Kiev asks for the French military to come in Ukraine and assist them against the war with Russia. Last week, the Americans from this summit in Switzerland, they said they can give one more Patriot shield air defense to protect the sky of the Ukrainian. But we know that it's not enough. 2 Patriot defense systems is not enough to protect the whole country of the Ukrainian. Of course, they have 7 Patriot, 7 air defense to protect the capital Kyiv and the second largest city, Kharkiv. Yes, but if you go to Kherson, it's another thing. You go to Avdiivka, it was another thing, and that's why they lost Avdiivka and Bakhmut and so on. But this time in Switzerland, the NATO countries, they are gathering under the direction of Jens Stoltenberg, which is the actual president of this NATO organization, has said, of course, that Ukraine has the right to defend itself. So the Polish and the German, the French and the English also, they said the same thing. They have been giving to Ukraine some missile of long-range missile, which can go 150 kilometers. That is far. So I think if Ukraine gets those missiles, then it can free up the country of Ukraine. In Ukraine, you have the Crimea, is where the Russians, they are sitting, they think Crimea belongs to them now. So they are coming from Crimea, passing by Kherson, coming to Donbass, Luhansk, and Donetsk. They go all those countries into Donbass, and they want to keep those territories again, and they say they want to have peace talk with Ukraine. We know Zelensky has no mind to give up after all those blood that Russia has been pulling down the Ukrainian flag. They will not die in vain. This is what Zelensky says. He says, Crimea began the war, and by taking Crimea, the war only in this condition will end. Otherwise, the Russians, they pull out their troops themselves and run away, get out of the country of the Ukrainian. Okay, the war can end. If not, Ukrainian is in power and he will continue to fight for the freedom of his land. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, of following Africa Express. Merci, mesdames et messieurs. Nous parlons toujours dans le fil de l'actualité de la guerre entre la Russie et l'Ukraine. Nous avons vu une organisation, une invitation à tous les pays de l'OTAN qui s'est passée en Suisse. Ils se sont réunis là-bas, ils ont parlé de paix pour l'Ukraine. La Chine et la Russie ne sont pas venus à l'invitation. Mais 90 pays sont venus et tous ils ont martelé la même